Welcome back. Our next pattern is going to be grapevines to outside underarm turn to free spin. Yes, 3 different types of patterns basically into one big chunk. So again, grapevines to outside underarm turn to free spin. So let's get started. We'll give you a couple angles off of this, gentlemen, okay? So it can travel. So we're going to start with a 2-hand hold, not close, but 2-hand hold. You can get to this from the toss across. You can use twinkles to check release for this. So you get into that 2-hand hold position. So we're going to start from there. Cool? So a 2-hand hold, you're going to go right into like a nice little open twinkle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool? So again, even if it's a nice tight area, you're still able to do this with your partner. And again, it doesn't mean that you have to hit every corner or anything. Just kind of make it work, feel good about it, and move through your patterns, okay? So we're going to take it from this angle. And once more, when I do this, you're going to end up trying to actually move in the direction and around the floor a little bit from corner to corner. But notice that as I go through 2-hand holds, okay? So as I move through, I'm just moving myself, gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Now remember, take your time through this. Your grapevines are always going to be behind on this one, okay, for both parties. And you want to look at that. You need more information, go to the private lesson style, okay, videos. That will give you a little bit more in-depth coverage over this, all right? These are quick views, so look over these, rewind as much as you need to, practice together or apart, does not matter. Come on back to the next pattern.